Alright y'all, welcome back. It's Big Al once again with Stock Lock Sunday. This time around we're going to take a look at this. I think it's Fu Volante. I'm not sure. It's off of Amazon. I did try Google Translate on this, and what it came up with was a couple things. One of them being, he was brave. So whether that's what it is, I do not know. It has it on both sides. You can go ahead and translate it if you'd like, or try to, and maybe leave it in the comments, but I don't know. But it is a disc detainer lock, and I want to bring something up because, well, I brought it up before. It's nice when you're picking disc detainer locks to have a tool like the Silver Bullet that you can tension either from the rear, like it's set up right now, or you can tension it from the front with the other attachments. Because every once in a while you run across a lock like this. I tried picking this thing several times with the Sparrow's disc tool with no luck. I just couldn't. And you know, sometimes one of the discs, it's a random disc that's the zero disc, and you get them all set using a tool like this. Then you find the zero cut disc, and you come back and you open up the lock. I couldn't do it with this thing. I tried a dozen times. Finally, I picked up the big boy, the Silver Bullet, set it up for rear tension, and bada boom, bada bang, I got it open. So, like I said, I mentioned it before, it's nice to have a tool like this where you have the option. So, you know, when you're going to need it, who knows, but it's nice to have it. So, without further ado, let's see if we can't pick into this thing. I did try counting the disc again through the hole. I believe it's a 7 disc. If I'm wrong, I apologize, but I think it's 7. There is the key. Lock does work fine. It's brand new. It seems to be all stainless steel. There's a lot of these on Amazon right now that are they're fully stainless steel. It does say SUS 304 on the shackle also. So it would weather the elements quite well, I'm sure, if you used it outdoors. So, anywhoos, let's set it up. I'm going to put it in here because I'm going to use the Silver Bullet. See if I can get a good camera angle. Maybe right here. That might work. I need to rotate the disc. Okay. And like I said, we're going to go with rear tension. So I'm going to slide the tool all the way in the back and get a hold of that last disc. Trying to get good on the camera here too. Let's try that. Will that work? Okay. Tension on the rear disc, and I'm just going to start going through the discs. It is a pretty bad lock. These discs are, it's cheap. Let's just put it that way. So the discs are kind of grindy. Feels like there's grit inside there. So I will be fighting that. Okay. Okay, that one loosened up. Yeah, it's really, really grindy in there. Just going back and forth on the disc, trying to make them all loose. That one feels loose. That one feels loose. one's tight. Real tight. Yeah, you can almost hear that grit in there, I think, through the camera, huh? Feels like that one broke loose. I wish I can portray the how it feels through the camera. It's pretty awful. That one's tight. There it is. There it is. Yeah, like I said, I wish I could portray the nastiness through the camera. It's really, really gritty in there. But there we go. We got it open. Well, like I said, it is nice when you're picking disc detainer locks to have a tool like the Silver Bullet where you can tension from the front or the rear, because you never know when you're going to run into a lock like this. Now, I'm not saying you could not do it with a tool like this. You know, like Lockpicking Lawyer, he's very talented. He could probably do it. But, you know, someone with less experience like myself, it's nice to have a tool like this. So if the lock is kind of picky, you've got the option. And look at how it worked out for me. I was able to get it open because I had this tool. So it's nice. So there it is, the, I guess, Fu Volante from Amazon. Fully stainless steel. I'm going to lock it back up so I can get my tool out. And there it is with the Silver Bullet. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, if you're not subscribed, please do so. And if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. And by the way, leave a comment. Try and translate that. Thank you.